I'll be doing an unboxing video. Kailangan ko siya sa makeup gigs ko, kaya bumili talaga ako ng madali kasi ito. Ang dali niyang mag-curl. Steam Pro Hair Straightener Professional Vapor Infusion Iron. The power of steam straightens and curls hair like a pro for a silky, soft touch salon finish. So, I'm going to do an unboxing or a review for this or showing to you kung paano ko to ginamit sa mga makeup gigs ko. So, ito siya. It cost, 3,499 pesos. Nandito yung on, turn on, yan. And then after that, merong adjuster, minus, at saka up, up, up. So, 220 na siya, guys. And what we're going to do, given example, ito. Gusto ko siya kasi, tingnan nyo guys madali siyang, pwede siyang ma-straight. Super, super straight. And then, pwede rin siyang cloth. Ito, tingnan nyo. Super smooth niya, guys. Tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo, guys. Super, super smooth. Yan. Tingnan nyo yung result. Big curls. Big curls siya. Gusto ko siya. The big curls, guys. And then, tingnan nyo. Igaganon pa. Tchadan! Big and wavy curls. Diba? Love one. Maganda siya. I love it. Simple lang. Diba?